Hi everyone. Thanks for watching this video. After you watch this video, you will get a fair idea as to how this Six Sigma tool can help you in your daily operations, in your day-to-day life in office. This particular tool was made keeping into mind of a call center environment where we do Pareto analysis, we do box plot analysis, and we do control chart to see where exactly the variation is. First of all, I would like to let you guys know you should be having Microsoft Excel 2007 and above to use this tool. Anybody would like to have this tool in 2003 or Excel 2003 format, you can shoot me an email and we can create a customized Six Sigma tool for 2003 format as well. First of all, we will learn how exactly we should activate a macro. If you look at the screen over here which says click here to know how to activate the macro, go to that particular screen and click there. It will open a page which will exactly show you a stepwise approach how you can activate a macro. One page. There are certain things that you should not be doing at any circumstances. You should not try to rename any sheets. Strictly forbidden. If you do so, the possibility of this macro getting corrupt is very high. There are a few things which will not work as soon as you do it. There is a copy button which we'll discuss at a later stage. There's a clear button which we will show you at a later stage. And there is a use data as per the format. That means whatever data you're putting in, please ensure you're not changing the format in the Excel sheet. There are certain things that you should not be doing at any circumstances. Okay, this tool is a self-explanatory tool which will help you to understand the control chart. Okay, this Six Sigma tool, this will help you to create Pareto charts. Now we will see how exactly you can create Pareto chart. We have few examples which we have kept just for the understanding and training purpose. We have jotted down all the major causes which is there for a CSAT. When a CSAT is low, these are the most causes that comes up. And there was a survey which are done in a call center to know why exactly the CSAT was low. So when they have done the survey, these are the major chunk which was there, where the customer is saying the whole music is bad, the internet is down, so that the agents are not able to give right information or entire information. Agents are rude, hold is high, VoIP lines are not clear, communication issues with the agents. Once you have this particular values which you put down, and there's a maximum you can put up to B55 cell, you can put all the causes and the frequency they are arriving in. Once you do that, you just have to click over here, create Pareto chart. It will automatically calculate and create a Pareto chart for you without any hasslement. So over here 80% is coming on this particular slide. Value is 80%, which you can see it right now, which is communication, hold, music is bad, and internet is down. These are the major chunk which are coming up. And as an owner or as a manager, you should be looking at these particular areas to improve it as soon as possible, to improve your CSAT. So this is the way a Pareto chart look. Once you create this, you can use this particular diagram, you can use this chart anywhere you want. You just have to press copy chart. The chart is copied. You can go to PowerPoint, just paste it. It will paste the chart for you. You can use this in your PowerPoint presentation. You can add values. Now we will learn how to use box plot. We'll click on box plot. Over here we have we will be doing analysis for AHT for different agents who are reporting to different supervisors. So over here I have got 8 agents. These are the agents and they belong to these supervisors. Now there are two ways to look at a box plot. You can either create a box plot for the process, you can also create a box plot for a manager. First we look at a box plot process wise, which I would say this is the one. You click on this particular option which says process wise box plot. You click on create box plot. Once you click on create box plot, it will automatically calculate the values for you. It will paste the value and create quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3, quartile 4. A variation in different quartiles. Over here it will give you a statistic information that you should be looking at in terms of quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3 and quartile 4. What is the 25 percentile, what is the minimum value, what is the mean, what is median, what is maximum, and what is the 75 percentile. Same option over here as well. If you click on copy chart, it will copy the chart for you. You paste it anywhere you wish. We'll paste it on PowerPoint. The chart has been pasted. I'll just enlarge this image so that you're able to see it clearly. Once you do it, your process wise box plot is done. Moving on to the Excel sheet, I'll go back to the box plot data. Over here now I would like to see a variation between my managers. So I'll click on manager supervisor box plot. I'll click on create box plot. It's creating a manager wise box plot for me. Over here if you see, there are 3 managers, A, B, D. These are the statistics that you should be looking at, and this is the variation between 3 managers. This is the median point. Click on copy chart. It will copy the chart for you, and a similar way if you want to paste it anywhere you wish, it will paste for you. So just enter the data, click on the button which says create box plot. It will create the entire box plot for you in just a few seconds. Now we will see how to use a control chart. I'll click on the button over here, control chart. Over here I have added few values just for training purpose or for understanding purpose. I've got 12 weeks of data, which is the AHT data. So if you see week 1, the average AHT for the floor or for the agent, for the matter of fact, it was 200. Week 2, week 3, week 4, and so on and so forth. So I've just entered the data. Now what I'm looking for the upper limit, the lower limit, what is the mean and what is the standard deviation for this particular data, and a graphical representation about how exactly this data should look like. So what I will do, I'll click on create control chart. It will automatically create the data for me. It will show me the UCL, the LCL, which is upper limit, the lower limit, the mean and standard deviation for me. It says control chart created for AHT value, which is over here. This is the 12-week representation of a data with statistic data which you will be using in any of your projects, or to show it to someone as a statistical proof. So I'll just go and click copy chart. I'll go to PowerPoint or any other. It can be pasted in Word, it can be pasted in MS Paint. Where we want to paste it is a bitmap file. It can be pasted automatically. It's been pasted. You can add the details at the bottom. That's about it. So if you want to clear the data, just press clear data. It will clear the data for you. Click on home. On home you will get this page. So you will be able to use the primary 3 quality tools that are used in a call center environment or any other industry where we have the data in terms of analysis that can be done, where we want to see the top defects. This tool is a perfect tool to use. And to understand this tool, you have the help options, help button, which will give you a clear picture when you should be using what, as well as it will help you to create tools with one click of a button. So that's about the quality tool. Please share any kind of feedback that you may have. Thank you.